In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join friends in Goat Simulator 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do multiplayer online in Goat Simulator 3. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to set this up if you want to play online with your friends. Keep in mind that you will also be able to do split screen, but of course, this means that you will have to add an additional controller to the platform where you are playing, and you will be able to do local co-op. However, if you want to play online instead, then all that you have to do is from the home screen of the game, go over to the Friends tab. So you will be able to see your goat, and if you go over to Friends, you will see a friends list on the platform that you are playing. If you don't see your friend here, you will need to add them to the corresponding platform. For example, if you are playing through Game Pass on PC, you will see your Xbox friends list and so on. Now, when you go over to friends and you find a specific friend that you would like to invite, you just have to select them and the option to invite them will appear. Of course, they need to be online inside of Goat Simulator 3, and if you send the invite this way, they will get a notification inside of the game that they can accept. Immediately upon accepting this invite, they will load into your lobby, and then you can go ahead and select continue or new game, whatever you prefer. Alternatively, if you cannot find them in the online section for whatever reason, you will still be able to play together. Like I mentioned, you can connect an additional controller if you are willing to do local co-op, and they will load in immediately and you can start the game to do split screen co-op. Or if you need to do it online, then I recommend restarting the game. They should appear as soon as you send the invite and they accept it from inside of the game, but if you cannot see each other, it could be a problem with the friends list or the game itself. You can try inviting them, and if that doesn't work, they will send the invite instead. See whichever option is available for you when you go over to the Friends tab. I hope I was able to help you on how to join friends in Goat Simulator 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.